Hey, hello and welcome. How are my 10th standard students doing? I hope you are doing some good revision, practicing the sums. Okay? Yeah. So I have come today with some sums of question 4. Remember any two? So question number 4, solve any two 4 marks question. Related to that, I have come up with few questions. Let us practice that in today's class. Okay? So let's begin our class in the channel Progress with Raji Miss. Come on children. So I have written the first question. A rectangular garden 40 meter into 30 meter. I'll read out. Suppose here you are not able to read. A rectangular garden 40 meter into 30 meter. Rectangle means length, breadth. 40 meter into 30 meter is surrounded from outside by a path of equal width. If the area of the path is 456 meter square, find the width of the path. Okay, so this is a 4 mark question. Again read the question. A rectangular garden 40 meter into 30 meter. Let's start with the solution. You need a rough figure here. Solution. So this is a rectangular garden. Let me draw a rectangular garden. Draw a rectangular garden. Yeah, a rectangle 40 and 30. Fine. Rectangular garden 40 into 30 meter is surrounded from outside by a path of equal width. Okay, by path of equal width, we have a path outside the garden. Equal width from all four sides, equal width. Width of the garden is not given. If the area of the path is, width of the path is not given, but area of the path is given as 456 meter square. What is that area of the path? This is the path, right? Surrounding the garden. So this area of the path is 456 meter square. Question is find the width of the path. Find the width of the path. So let us assume the width of the path as x. So start. Let the width of the path be x. What is the unit here? Meter. Meter respectively. Okay. Done. This much half marks. Okay. X meter respectively. Now what you have? You have a garden here. And when the garden is surrounded by a path and it is of equal width, so we took the width as x. So here x, this is x, this is x, this is also x. When you have a path around the garden, you have a new rectangle. Somewhere this same sort of sum you have done in your lower class children. Yeah. Okay. So when this garden is surrounded by a path, you have a bigger rectangle there. What is the dimension of that bigger rectangle? Till here, if suppose this is 30, till here this is 30 again, till here. And that path. So here 1x and here 1x. So what is the total length of the bigger rectangle? 30 plus x plus x. 30 plus x plus x is 30 plus 2x. Let us write that. Okay. So I'll give a name for this bigger rectangle. Bigger rectangle, I'll name it as ABCD. And what is the garden? That is also a rectangle. That I will name it as DEFG. DEFG. Okay. So remember DEFG is garden and ABCD is the bigger rectangle. So I'll write, let ABCD be the bigger rectangle. Okay. Therefore, length is equal to 30 plus x plus x. X plus x, which is equal to 30 plus 2x. What about the breadth, children? Same logic you apply. Breadth is equal to this much. Till here it is 40. Again x. That width will be added down as well as up. So 40 plus x plus x, which is equal to 40 plus 2x. This is about the bigger rectangle. Once again, let me make the picture clear. Here you have a garden, rectangle garden. Surrounding the garden, what you have? You have a path outside the garden, and the path is of equal width. So this is x, this is x, this is x, here x. Now when the garden is surrounded by a path from outside, you have a new rectangle. That new rectangle we gave the name as ABCD, and garden we named it as DEFG. Is it clear till now? Okay. We know the area of the path. This path we know. Dimensions of the garden is 40 and 30. So that also you can find out. And we got the length and breadth of the bigger rectangle. So therefore, area of bigger rectangle equal to, what will be area of the bigger rectangle? Rectangle area is length into breadth. Length into breadth. Area of the bigger rectangle will be, how much is the length? Length we wrote it as 40 plus 2x multiplied by, what is the new breadth? 30 plus 2x. Okay. If you want to open the bracket here, you can do that. Multiply. 40 into 30 will be 1200 plus 40 into 2x will be 80x plus 2x into 30 will be 60x plus 2x into 2x will be 4x square. Okay, this is the area of the bigger rectangle. Area of bigger rectangle we got. Now you just tell me, we know the area of garden, we know the area of bigger rectangle. What is the area of garden? Area of garden, you need not write length and breadth separately because it is given, no, 40 meter into 30 meter. So area of garden is again length into breadth, which is equal to 40 into 30. 40 into 30 will be 4 3s are 12 and 0 square meter. This is area of the garden. Understood? So area of the bigger rectangle you got, area of the garden you got. Can you find out the area of the path which is given? Area of the path is given as 456 meter square. Okay. Area of bigger rectangle minus area of smaller, that is smaller rectangle, which is garden. Area of garden को इसमें से निकाल देंगे तो, okay, this is the bigger rectangle and this is our garden. If I remove this garden out of the bigger rectangle, what will I get? What will I get? The garden, if I remove, area of garden, if I remove from the bigger rectangle, I'll get area of the path. Area of the path will remain. From the figure, what will you write? Therefore, area of bigger rectangle minus area of garden equal to area of path. This step is what we will be searching for. बड़ा rectangle से area of garden अगर minus करोगे तो area of path मिलेगा ना? So now substitute. What is the area of bigger rectangle that you got? What you got? See, we had written it, no? We had multiplied it. If suppose you didn't multiply, I'll do it again. We got 40 plus 2x multiplied by 30 plus 2x. This is area of bigger rectangle minus area of garden. Area of garden, remember we got 1200 is equal to area of path. How much is area of path? 456. Now let me multiply it again. We have already done the expansion. You can write it directly. 1200 plus 80x plus 60x plus 4x square minus 1200 is equal to 456. Now 1200 and 1200 and minus 1200 I cancel. What you have, I'll write it here now. So after this step, I'll continue. 80x plus 60x will be 140x plus 4x square equal to 456. Let me bring 456 to the other side. I'll write 4x square plus 140x minus 456 equal to 0. Have you seen something like this? This is a quadratic equation. Now as you know, 4, 140, 456. All numbers are divisible by 4. So let me take 4 common. What I will get? X square plus 140 divided by 4. 4 3s are 12. 2 remains. 2 and 0, 20. 4 5s are 20. X minus 456 divided by 4. Divide and see. Okay, if you don't have the confidence of dividing in the mind. 4 1s are 4. 4 1s are 4. 4 4s are 16. Equal to 0. Okay. So 4 goes to the other side. That becomes 0. 0 upon 4 is 0. So what you got? X square plus 35x minus 114 equal to 0. So here you have a new quadratic equation. Now how to solve a quadratic equation? Remember, splitting the middle term. Now what is in here? What is the constant? 114. Factorize. This goes in 2's table. 2 5s are 10 and 2 7s are 14. Again 3's table. 3 1s are 3. 2 remains. 2 and 7 27. 3 9s are 27. 19 is prime number. Now we want two numbers so that when you add or subtract you should get 35. Which are those two numbers? 3 2s are 6. 19 plus 6 is 25. We want 35, children. So let us go for 19 into 3. 19 into 3 is 9 3s are 27, carry 2. 3 1s are 3, 4, 5, 57 and 2. No chance. Try something else. 19 into 2. 19 2s are 38. Okay. 38 and 3. Yes. 38 minus 3 is 35. So which are the two numbers? 38 and 3. Fine. So let me write. Therefore, x square plus means 38x minus 3x minus 114 equal to 0. I hope you know splitting the middle term. If not, go for the second chapter, revise and come. So we split the middle term as 38x minus 3x. Now make groups and take common. From these two, x common, x plus 38 minus, from these two again 3 is common, x minus will make this minus plus, sign will change. Divide 114 by 3, 3 3s are 9, 11 minus 9 is 2, 4, 24, 3 8s are 24, yes, 38 equal to 0. Okay, so after this step, therefore, x minus 3 and x plus 38 equal to 0. Therefore, x minus 3 equal to 0 or x plus 38 equal to 0. Okay, so therefore, x is equal to 3 or x is equal to minus 38. Now remember, what was x? What did we take as x? We took the width of the path as x. Can the width be a negative number? No. So you will write, as the width cannot be negative, we will consider x is equal to 3. So what is the width of the path? The width of the path is 3 meter. So write the final answer. Width of the path is 3 meter and highlight it. Okay, that was an easy sum. Until and unless you draw the diagram, you have that clear picture in front of you, you will be able to solve it easily. So I hope you understood it. If not, again go through the whole explanation. First practice the second chapter, then come how to split the middle term and all. Let's go for the second sum. Again we have a 4-mark question. Second question. Read the question, children. Copy the question first and then try to solve. Okay. Find the common difference of an AP. Which chapter is this? Arithmetic progression. AP whose first term is 5. Which alphabet we use to denote first term? A. And the sum of the first 4 terms is half the sum of the next 4 term. कुछ नहीं समझा? वापस पढ़ो. Find the common difference of an AP whose, we want to find the common difference. Common difference which alphabet? D. So common difference find करना है. First term दिया है 5 and the sum of first 4 terms is half the sum of the next 4 terms. Which are the terms? No idea. We just know the first term. So when we don't know the terms, how we write? How do we write? Solution. We will write, let the AP be. Let the AP be. How we used to write? First term will be A, right? Second term will be A plus D. Third term A plus 2D. Fourth term A plus 3D. Whose first term is 5. So when we solve, we will write the first term A as 5. Understanding till here? First term is 5. Sum of first 4 terms. Pehle 4 terms. So which are the first 4 terms? 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the first 4 terms. Iska sum is means equal to half the sum of the next 4 terms. इसके बाद और 4 term we need. So let us write more 4 terms. This will be A plus 4D, A plus 5D. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again 4 we want, no? 1, 2, A plus 6D, A plus 7D. And so on. Dot, dot, dot. So from the given information, what you know? From the given information, what you know? A is equal to 5. Then some condition is given. Sum of first 4 terms. So this plus this plus this plus this. Let us add. Sum means add. A plus D plus A plus 2D plus A plus 3D. 1, 2, 3, 4 is equal to sum of first 4 terms. Sum of first 4 terms is this. Let us solve this part. A plus A plus A plus A. 4A plus D plus 2D. D plus 2D. 3D. 3D plus 3D. 6D. So this is sum of first 4 terms. Now let us find out the sum of the next 4 terms. Okay. Therefore, sum of next 4 terms equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. Till here over. Now next. A plus 4D plus A plus 5D plus A plus 6D plus A plus 7D. Let me add this. Add this. So kindly add this and tell me what is the answer. A plus A plus A plus A. Again 4A plus 4D plus 5D. 9D. 9D plus 6D. 9 plus 6. 15. 15 plus 7. 22. 22D. Sum of first 4 terms we got this. Sum of next 4 terms we got this. From the condition, from the given condition, what is given? What is the condition? Sum of first 4 terms, this 4A plus 6D is means equal to half. Half means you will divide by 2. Correct? Half the sum of the next 4 terms. Sum of next 4 terms you got 4A plus 22D. Okay. So take this 4 to the other side. Cross multiply. 2 into 4A plus 6D is equal to 4A plus 22D. Solve it. Solve it, children. So 2 into 4A will be 8A plus 2 into 6 will be 12D is equal to 4A plus 22D. Now bring 4A to the other side. 8A minus 4A is equal to 22D minus 12D. Plus 12D goes to the other side, minus 12. So how much you got? 8A plus minus 4A will be 4A equal to 22 minus 12 is 10D. Now do you know A? You know the first term as 5. So in place of A you will write 5. 4 into 5 equal to 10D. 20 equal to 10D. So what will be D? Therefore 20 upon 10 is equal to D. D is equal to 2. What is D? D for common difference. Okay, so that is the question. Find the common difference. Write down the final answer. Common difference D equal to 2. Isn't it easy? Same format sums you can expect in your exam, children. So kindly go through these sums. Very important. Going for the last and the final sum for today, the third question. Favorite chapter, which is it? Probability, I hope. Yeah, so we have the third question from the chapter probability. Now I want you to read this question. We will read it together. Solve it on your own. Pause the video. Solve it on your own. And then kindly check whether you have written the steps systematically. I'm very sure that all will be able to do this sum. So the question is, a box contains 36 cards bearing only one number from 1 to 36. एक card में numbers have 1 from 36. On each, if a card is drawn at random, find the probability of an event that the card bears, first one, a complete square number, B, a prime number, C, a multiple of 3. Okay, 4-mark question. How will you start? Solution. Okay, suppose S is the sample space. S is the sample space. So how many cards you have? 1 to 36. So therefore n of S equal to 36. I have seen students writing S is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 till 36. No need to write that. Directly write n of S. Number of elements in sample space is equal to 36. There will be 36 cards. Okay. Now start with event. Event A. What is the first event? A complete square number. Okay. A card is drawn and on the card you should get a complete square number. What is a complete square? What is complete square? 1, 4, then 6, 9. 1 into 1 is 1. 4, 2 into 2 is 4. So these are complete squares, right? 1, 2, 2 square. 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4. So 1, 4, 3 square is 9. 4 square is 16. 1, 4, 9, 16 and so on. These numbers are called as complete squares. You all know it, but just a recap. Okay. Event A, what is it? The card drawn is a complete square. Mention it. So you have taken event A, the card drawn is a complete square. So what all will come in that set event A, which are complete squares? 1 to 36, 1 and 36 both are complete squares. In between which all will come? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, 2 square is 4. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Yeah, you know it. 25. Then comes 6 square, 36. These are the complete squares. So how many elements are there in event A? N of A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Find out the probability. Therefore, P of A, probability of event A is equal to N of A upon n of s. Please write this formula, children. Okay, which is equal to n of a we got 6 upon 36, which is equal to 1 upon 6. 6 ones are 6, 1 upon 6. Write the final answer. Therefore, P of A equal to 1 upon 6. Put it in a box. Over. Okay? Yeah. Go for the second event, B. So, you will write event B. Card drawn is a prime number. Right? Event B. The card drawn is a prime number. Card drawn is a prime number. So, what all will come in the set? Please use brace bracket. No other bracket is allowed. Which are the prime numbers? One is neither prime nor composite, right? So, prime numbers start with 2, 3, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 13, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 31. Here, these are the prime numbers. Count. N of B is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11. Okay. So, therefore, probability of event B is equal to number of elements in set B upon number of elements in sample space, which is equal to 11 upon, what was the sample space? 36 cards. So, 11 upon 36. You can't cancel it further. So, this is the probability. Highlight the answer. P of B is equal to 11 upon 36. This mistake we do. 11 upon 36 while writing down, you write it as 1 upon 36. Nervousness. Okay? Yeah. So, I hope you got the same answer. Right? A multiple of 3. So, you will write event A, B ke baad C. Event C, the card drawn is a multiple of 3. 3 ka table. All of us know 3's table. Event C, what will come in that set? 3's table. Obviously, we will start with 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, 33 and 36. How many? N of C is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 terms. Now, probability of event C equal to number of elements in event C upon number of elements in sample space, which is equal to N of C is 12 upon total. How many cards? 36. 12's table 36 goes. 12 3's are. So, you have 1 upon 3. Okay. Write the final answer. Probability P of A equal to P of B equal to, it was 11 upon 36, and P of C equal to, what we got? 1 upon 3. What was P of A? I forgot. Kindly write it. Fill it up. Okay. So, I hope you understood all the 3 sums that I discussed with you, all 4 marks question. If you need any further help, please solve this practice that I want to revise, this sum, or 4 marks question, 3 marks question, 2 marks question, whatever you need, any other subject, numericals, whatever you need, you can just drop in a comment. I'll try to cater to your needs. I hope you are doing your studies regularly. Keep a timetable for yourself. All the best. Meet you with the next few sums in the next class. Till then, bye.